everybody, John Bead just came out with the cutest line of beads that are perfect for making bag charms. Bag charms are the biggest thing this year, and you will see people walking down the street with tons of gorgeous charms hanging off their bags. Expensive bags, inexpensive bags, you name it, people are piling bag charms on their handbags. Today we're using the John Bead super cute line to create these bead charms, and I think you're really gonna like this project. These beads are like nothing you've ever seen before. They are so cute. Are you ready? Let's make some bag charms. Take a look at these cheerful, colorful acrylic beads. They come in irresistibly playful shapes like sweet flowers, cuddly bears, donuts, and candy-shaped treats. For this project, I'm also using the craft bead bags in different shapes, colors, and sizes. For the first charm, I can't resist using this little bear. He's so cute! John Bead also made hardware in fun colors. I'm definitely starting off with these polka dot black and pink beads. I'm using a 20 gauge wire to put these charms together. I think since they'll be moving around a lot, wire will make them really sturdy. Cut an 8-inch piece of wire and bend a loop at one end with round nose pliers. String your beads. Bend the wire, add a lobster claw, and twist the wire around the shaft to secure it. Did you know that charms have been enchanting humans since prehistoric times? Frequently referred to as amulets or talismans, the wearing of charms has been associated with magic, mystique, protection, spirituality, faith, love, and wealth. Since I'm hanging several matching charms on each bag, I'm going to use more pink and black here. Here I've used the craft beads to make a cute little ring for variation. I'm putting 3 charms on a beautiful pink wire keychain with a screw lock. Just wrap and secure it around your handle and you're ready to go. Egyptians started using charms as early as 3000 BC. They used charms to ward off evil spirits, protect loved ones, and in the afterlife, enhance fertility and assure prosperity. For my final bag charm, I'm using the craft beads in 3 colors to create a triple strand to drape from handle to handle. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that too. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you might like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. And I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.